Hey there! I'm excited to present a fantastic product you need to know about. Its design is modern, minimalist, and truly premium. And the price, believe it or not, it's far more affordable than you'd expect for this level of quality. It's just incredible. It's also incredibly versatile, ideal for your office, your home, or even as a wonderful gift. You can find all the full details right in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Goodbye for now.